There is no doubt that the outbreak of the coronavirus, also known as Covid-19, is a threat to world economies. The situation is not different in Nigeria, which as at the time of filing this report has recorded 97 confirmed cases with one death. While the federal governments and the states are already implementing policies like travel restrictions, both international and local, closure of borders and boundaries, social distancing, among others, the private sector, comprising of wealthy Nigerians, corporate organizations, are complementing the gesture by donating sums running into billions of naira to fund medical centers and provide essential materials needed to curtail the spread of the pandemic in Nigeria. The Mona Audu Foundation is not left out of these arrangements, as it has concluded plans to implement a private initiative known as COVID-19 Care Packs. Chairperson of the foundation, Princess Zahrah Audu, disclosed this in an exclusive interview with CNN News in Abuja.
It's okay to tell people to stay at home because obviously, it ensures our safety, but then how do we expect most Nigerians to feed, considering the fact that how we live day to day, and most of us go out, make some money on a daily basis, buy whatever we need and go home. We don't really have a lot of savings and reserve, so it means that our situation is peculiar. We thought about how best we can help and decided that the best way forward was to basically create a supply chain whereby we send food. Basically, the care packs is just filled with food and basic necessities to the less privileged Nigerians who do not have money to store food in their homes.
But we also know that unlike this pandemic, there's a lot of economic hardship that comes along with it. So I think that is the whole idea of the initiative.
She also explained modalities put in place to ensure the intervention gets to the desired targets.
We're keeping it in the locality. We are not asking you to travel from A to B. You're not moving from Gwagwalada to Karo. No, we will have representatives in Gwagwalada, we'll have representatives in Karo, we'll have them. So whichever areas we're targeting, we're keeping it local. We're keeping it like a quick walking distance around you. So we're going to have designated points where people can take a stroll, pick up a pack, and go.
While calling on other Nigerians to support the initiative and care for the downtrodden, even at these trying times, the foundation disclosed plans to commence distribution of relief materials using its supply chains already set up in the Federal Capital Territory, Lagos, and Kogi states from Friday, April 3, 2020. CNN News.